Person is dead after a crash. It happened in Madison County, Nebraska this morning that officials are blaming, at least in part, on dense fog in that area. Now, the crash was reported just before 9 o'clock this morning at the intersection of U.S. Highway 81 and 833rd Road, also known as Enola Road, between Norfolk and Madison. According to the Nebraska State Patrol, a backhoe was trying to cross the highway when it was hit by a pickup truck. The driver of the backhoe, a Norfolk resident, was pronounced dead at the scene. The driver of the pickup was taken to a hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. Neither driver's name has been released.